Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. Today, I don't know exactly where I am going, but we're just going to walk around and explore new places. Yeah, I've been to that place, of course with my bicycle. I always go through there, but never been in this pathway. So before leaving the house, I just checked when is the beginning of the winter, and it says that the winter will start on June 1. Yes, it's still like 2 weeks more to start the winter. But you know, these days it's already cold. I am wearing this, a double layer of a sweater. And we're going down. This house looks like unoccupied. I think it's unoccupied. Yeah, with my bike, this is where I usually pass. Coming from my workplace, I go through this way and get back to my apartment on that side. Yeah, people are going places. Like the same like me, they are just walking around. Yeah, this is the nice weather, mate. Yeah, it is sunny, I mean very sunny. You rarely see clouds, but it is not very hot like the summer, mate. Yeah. Yeah, that mushroom. I don't know if that mushroom is edible. Yeah. You know what? When I was in the Philippines, I didn't know. I always see mushroom like that in the backyards of our house, but I didn't know that those are edible until I came to Dubai in 2008. Yeah, in the restaurant, of course, I see that there, and there are so many kind of mushroom. Yeah, and that's the only time that I learned it. Yeah, I get down here because I'm not sure where I am going. So I think the best thing is to eat first in McDonald's, and it's here. So yeah, I just get down from the bus, and this place is called Soldier's Point. This is still part of the Port Stephen, just on the other side. Yeah, still part of the the beach area, the water area. Yeah, this is the same like everywhere. It's beautiful like this. Nice. This is what I reach. Yeah, I don't know if this is private or what, but there is a park sign, so it's a park. This looks like a hotel. This part of Port Stephen, Soldier's Point, is not a swimming area. As you can see, a lot of things like this, plants like this, and the water is not very clean. But on that side, it looks nicer. It's a white sand. I have been walking, and from there, it was all oyster. Oh yeah, I am in the backyards of these beautiful houses. Yeah, and water can reach here, and as you can see, there are two pelicans. You don't see that. Let's try to zoom this camera. That's the maximum. I am using the 15 to 45 millimeter. You know, I feel that if you are walking here and you are in a bad clothing, the people will be suspicious about what you are doing here. Today is good. Yeah, it's not windy. As you can see, it's very calm. Also the water, you see, it's very plain, calm, not windy, so you don't hear the noise in the camera. Just nice. But I prepared this to have more people, so it's happier. I don't know what is this. Yeah, a lot. Looks like there are something that goes inside and try to take up the sand. Yeah, those I think are the small crabs. I just don't know the name, but I think I saw them already before. Look, it's everywhere here. Yeah, and there are a couple there. They greet me, told me, "Hey mate, how are you?" Yeah, there's one guy there. He told me that it's very rare to happen that the water is really far from the shore. The water is very clear. You can see the plants down under. And you know, that's actually scary if you are down there. That family, they greet me, I wave my hand, and they wave their hand too. Yeah, I don't know if there is a way there, but there is already, oh no, it's private or what? It's still private. Yeah, so we keep on going. Yeah, what happened to him? So by walking in the shore, and I found this place. I think I know this place. I think I reached this already with my bike. Yeah, there is actually a what are those houses? Caravan or what? Yeah, there is actually a marina here. There are a lot of boats and yacht. There is one where they already closed. I thought they are still open. I want to buy a coffee. Yeah. Sorry, we're closed. It's written there. Yeah, this is very hard. So the guy that is closing the restaurant there is the same guy that is managing this internet cafe where I bought this coffee. Yeah. Because when I get inside, there is no one in there. And then I get closer to the reception, to the desk, yeah, and it says please ring the bell. I ring the bell. Oh, the bell. Yeah, and the lady came out. Here in Port Stephen, Newcastle also, I'm not sure, but here in Nelson Bay, here in Port Stephen, drinks, food is not allowed inside the bus. Yeah, if you compare that to Sydney, in Sydney it's okay to have drinks, food, anything inside the train, inside the bus. Yeah, but here no. It means that I cannot take a bus this time to go home. The time now is almost 5 o'clock. No, it's maybe 4:30. Liar. Yeah, so it's still okay to walk around. It will be darker in 1 hour. This is a Soldiers Point Public School. Public school, maybe high school, college, or what? Or elementary. Look at this. This house is for sale here in Soldiers Point. It has a 4-bedroom, 3 shower, and 2 garage. Yeah, and it's facing to the sea. Actually, the bus stop is on the other side, so we go there, right? And finally the bus. Oh no, not this one. So the bus is delayed. The first time it was 5:31, and then delayed 5 minutes. It was 5:37, and now it says 5:41. Yeah, delayed, Mike. Okay, it's coming now. I get down here. This is a 7 minutes ride from where I came from. Yeah, but if you walk, it would be 51 minutes. And I'm going to the grocery and Kmart. This cup is coming from Kmart. This trouser is coming from Kmart. And then I'm going to Kmart. That's funny. It just came from Kmart, but I didn't get anything. The moment I'm here in Aldi, and they have this one. This is a pasta maker. I remember before when I was in Armani Hotel, we are making pasta, fresh pasta, and we have big machine, and also the manual one. In here they have this Ambiano professional electric pasta maker. It comes with 10 molder. Yeah, and it's $129. So it's very, I mean, I don't know, I like it, but I don't need it. They sell seasonal products. Yeah, but I am sure I am going to take this. This is a coffee cup for takeaway coffee cup. So like when I'm home and I want to go out having a coffee, I will just have this instead of buying coffee from outside. I did this already before when I was in Surrey Hills. Yeah, they also have this one, Sterling Janome overlocker. Yeah, something like for stitching. Ceramic pan heater is $27. Half price Citizen chronograph 50 meter WR. Before it was $375. Now it's just $187. Yeah, chronograph. But you know, I never had a watch. I'm not wearing watch. I don't know. Yeah, I feel that I already have the smartphone to have the watch. Yeah, we're just 3 passengers here, and you know this bus is supposed to come 15 minutes early, but it was very late. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm walking here in the dark. And it is the flashlight for me to be able to see the way. Yeah, it's very dark, mate. It is already 7:48.